No one's in there, Granny. Sorry. You're 10.
Among my patients, I often see them have heat sensitivity as well as gut issues. Does it worry me? Absolutely. Sensitivity and gum
Nice.
is a full action effect that really takes care of both my heat sensitivity as well as
Free batteries.
it's my 310, no exit site, migraine medicine. It's your brother. For anywhere migraine show, without worrying if it's too late or where I am. One dose can quickly stop my migraine in its tracks within 2 hours. Unlike older medicines, Ubrelvy is a pill that directly blocks UGRP protein, believed to be a cause of migraine. Do not take with strong CYP3A4 inhibitors. Most common side effects were nausea and tiredness. Ask about Ubrelvy, the anytime, anywhere migraine medicine. Hi, I'm Deborah. I'm from Colorado. I've been married to
You could put springs in Midland.
35 years. I'm a mother of 4, always busy. I was starting to feel a little foggy. It just didn't feel like things were as sharp as I needed them. I heard about Prevagen, and then I started taking it about 2 years now. Started noticing, seemed a little sharper, a little clearer. I feel like it's kept me on my game. I'm able to remember things, so give it a try.
Prevagen, healthier brain, better life. This Father's Day, get out of here till
Did you have a bunch of spare HH50 antennas, Midland? Oh, that is pathetic.
5-star tools for 5-star dad.
Oh.
Our AK Homeowner Series starts at just $199.99. Real deal. Find yours.
Tremfya is approved to help reduce joint symptoms in adults with active psoriatic arthritis. Some patients even felt less fatigued.
Serious allergic reactions may occur. Tremfya may increase the risk of infection and lower the severity.
Want to come out there, third double A?
Tremfya. Emerge Tremfya. Janssen can help you explore cost support options.
We care. We care that you found a way to make the best of it.
Do you?
All free. Because we care.
Oh, it's tight.
For asthma, there's Primatene Mix with symptom strength. Your airways have Primatene Mix is clinically shown to open airway spaces. It's the #1 FDA-approved over-the-counter asthma inhaler, and breathe easy again.
Well, Father's Day is tomorrow.
For Bluefield, 63. Martinsburg, 70. Parker, 56. And Clark, here are the 24-hour precipitation. 0.07. Huntington, 0.56. Parkersburg, 0.01. Message. West Virginia has changed. The new number is 304-356-5885. At the current time, there is no option for a recorded weather forecast. Now here is this morning's climatic report from cooperative observers within the radio listening area. Our period ending near 8 a.m. this morning. Spencer, 64. Winfield, 67. St. Albans, 60.
How to pay for it. On one side, you've got Democrats who want to increase taxes. On the other side, you've got Republicans who want to use unspent COVID relief funds.
55. Beckley,
I
46.
myself do not think we should be taking money out of the pockets of people on unemployment or taking money out of first point is because it's there for a purpose.
His own proposal, as you know, is a huge new package, $2.65 trillion, with $2 trillion of new taxes, particularly taxes on American businesses and American workers, which makes no sense coming out of this pandemic.
Oh, this thing is so
The Federal
pathetic.
Reserve raised its expectations for inflation. There are concerns pumping even more money into the economy could lead to higher prices. A Monmouth poll asking, how concerned are you that the president's spending plan could lead to inflation? 47% say they're very concerned, 24% say somewhat concerned, 17% say not too concerned, not at all concerned at 11, and 1% say they just don't know. Now, the White House is also speaking with Democrats on a separate proposal, a $6 trillion economic proposal. That's something that they would go alone on this one if they could not gain Republican support. Charles, back to you.
Chris, thank you very much. And of course, we'll note that you're joining us